Yeah. I think so, yes. No?
Yeah.
Yes.
Put us in, boy.
Yes.
Can it be soft become the VR? No. Fair enough.
It's too fast.
Sorry to interrupt your class.
Fucking Brandon, we should have known not to trust him.
I told you guys right at the start.
Yeah,
And he let the bioscanner through. That's how he tricked us.
No, because I knew Daniel probably would have choose the people who just did it. He was going to probably choose Mute Side. I didn't expect Mute Side to go away and radically just press the button. I felt proud because I'm like, yeah, we got it.
What?
Acting so sus about it though.
Me? Well, because I'm bad at like lying, so
Yeah, you are.
so that my truth sounds like lie.
Please look at your device and confirm your identity. Your device can tell you if you're a human or an alien, but not the identities of your fellow players. Unfortunately, aliens will know who they're
Trust Isaac.
That's good. That's smart.
We'll have 18 minutes before I cease to be. So I'd appreciate it if you could figure out who the aliens are and then push that button.
Alright, no, accidentally pushing.
You will be our first captain.
Oh.
Choose an available room and your desired participants.
Leaving me excited.
He's going to put me in there. Oh, but
You
he doesn't know
deserve
who
it.
he doesn't know who I am, sorry.
Oh, wait.
Our
He
first
knows you,
unit,
Brandon.
deliberation deck. Answer the question on your device. Here's the prompt humans should have received. You accidentally clog and overflow a gas station bathroom. What you should do is, and now the participants' answers.
Okay, yeah.
Do any of these answers seem suspicious?
Why did Randy go, okay,
This guy for sure.
and he's really bad at
Wow. Jesus.
And the title of captain has been passed. Okay, let's get a move on. Pick another room and test group. There's less than 17 minutes.
Brandon again, isn't it?
You have entered the drawing quarters. Draw the prompt on your device. If it seems like they're taking too long with their precious art, you can always hit the hurry up button.
Brandon's still drawing, trying to run that timer down.
Wow.
Let's see the human prompt. Draw your typical Friday night.
Uh-oh. I didn't get that. I didn't get that. I had draw a big birthday. Not draw a big birthday, draw a big party.
Yeah, that's because
Pretty much. Forget Brando's editing out.
Well, I was hacked. Oh, that's interesting, Mute. So if you say sleeping, but you're currently up,
that's true.
so
We're on the clock
They're in
here, people,
America,
so let's
though.
keep it going.
Oh yeah, it might. What's the time in America? We don't know. It might not
it's
be
actually
Friday night. It's probably Thursday.
no.
It's
It's 8 a.m. True. Ah, Brandon's trying to turn us on to
Oh my
Moonside.
god! Who's that? Oh, sorry. I'm gonna put my suspicion right here and say it's Kayla right now.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you K-balls, Kayla?
Yeah.
Of course you are.
Kim, are we doing trusting? Or I know actually
Brandon again.
You have been selected to give an opinion. Answer the question on your device.
How come they're so quick to answer, Captain?
And the prompt for humans was, I cry at least
Oh,
once
that
a week.
wasn't me. Quit hacking me.
They also slightly agree.
But the one I got was, how many, is it alright to show your feelings?
Are you just admitting you're an alien?
No, because I've been hacked. Because everyone else got the same answer.
Next captain,
Suspicious.
identified.
I'm
Lucky
drinking.
you.
I don't know who the second one is.
I love how they already think it's me. Yeah, you want to just drop me in there? Yeah.
Alright.
I'm really starting to hate glitching.
Why would
Let's draw again.
Don't need
Their drawings could reveal an alien.
Fucking draw that.
Now that you did put Brandon in, he's gonna hack someone to try to make it obvious that to try to turn the blame.
Why is Daniel so weird? The
Why did I let my
I don't
antivirus
know.
software expire?
It's because Brandon was underneath him and he's the fucking alien. He's the hacker.
Here's the correct prompt. Draw.
Why do you use me as your
favorite
scapegoat?
cereal.
What the hell
Success.
is
What is that?
Bro! What the hell is that?
Yeah, that's pretty sus, Jazz. That's pretty sus.
Oh, probably because Brandon hacked
Oh
it.
my god. You want to just throw me out in now? Go ahead.
Welcome to extraction room.
Go on, put me in there.
Push the button.
Just send me.
Whom will you isolate? There's still a lot of time left. Are you absolutely sure
Jazz,
you
dude.
got this right? Since this is our first
Oh.
time here, you have 2 minutes to decide.
Hey! You slut!
Go on.
Now,
I'm not afraid.
members shall vote.
I don't know. I don't know about Daniel though.
The vote has
Oh, okay.
All
I
you can
just
do is
drew
contest
cereal,
the
you
motion.
slut!
Okay, next captain, you're in charge.
Can't wait to be captain.
Oh, interesting! Not the fire scanner.
Yeah, it's a bit sus, Jazz. Are you afraid? Yeah. Put me in there.
Glitching is way more helpful.
Right!
Ah, another trip to the opinion hold. Keep your eyes peeled for any out-of-character responses.
Oh, this one is so vague.
When you put them all in, I'm gonna ask you guys what you actually put.
But I put slightly agree for I'm a big deal.
Humans received. I hate cheese.
Boy! Fuck hacked me!
Do any of his answers seem suspicious?
Well, I feel like him and you would definitely strongly disagree.
On what?
This is fucked.
Wait, so you're just saying everyone's an alien now?
Some cheese is.
Cheese.
Huh? I don't love cheese, and plus, it's not healthy.
Oh.
I like cheese. That's why I said slightly.
Oh, who pushed the button?
Let's see if you'll get it right this time.
Uh-oh.
Whom will you isolate? There's still a lot of time left. Are you absolutely sure you got this right?
Freaking hell, it's not me!
Okay, time to vote.
It's not me, guys, come on! Yeah, but I don't want to die with him.
He's going.
Don't
I
do
don't
it,
think
Kim.
they're going. I think
Oh,
it's
do it.
Just do it.
The vote has failed.
Wait, I forgot. What happens if... I forgot what happens either way.
Don't
If we're
rely on
wrong.
pushes, humans. All right,
Why
for the
won't
next
they
time,
cheat when you
please
lose?
make this opportunity count.
If one of them isn't the alien, you lose.
To lose.
Okay.
Which is why I sacrificed Mute yesterday. Oh, last time.
Okay.
I'm not the alien.
Nothing like some art to distract me from my impending doom. What they draw could be quite revealing.
I can't draw this thing for shit.
Ah, he's saying that so that when it's wrong, he'll be like, no, I was trying to draw.
Did I mention that humans use all of their Humans were given this prompt. Draw an endangered animal.
Right.
Anything on?
So it is Jazz. It's Jazz. Yes.
He just got for an animal.
Oh, okay, the fact that you're defending Jazz.
I think it's you and Jazz.
Oh, no, that sounds like a...
Someone put Cassie in there.
We're on the clock here, people, so let's keep it going.
I just wanted to make sure.
So out of the
Still fine.
3, which ones are actually animals?
And
And the title of captain has been passed.
Well. We're
It
gonna
seems
go
your
to...
own player has barely been tested. Is that a good idea?
Oh my
That
god.
animal
Mute.
will be isolated. You only have 30 seconds.
Mute, what are you doing?
Hey!
Mute!
might be weird.
Okay, time to vote.
So it's Mute and Jazz.
The vote
As
has
soon as I go to
failed.
the bioscanner, he pushes the button.
And we already know it's Brandon.
Don't run out of button pushes, humans.
Party.
All right, you're the next
Oh,
captain.
they just skipped me from doing the bioscanner. Oh no, they did it.
It seems
Alright, we're
one
going back
player
there.
has barely been tested. Is that a good idea?
We're gonna put you, and we're gonna put you.
Me?
Yeah.
This
You don't get
is the
tested.
bioscanner.
This is just a
I hope
finish
you've
it.
chosen a
I
team
get to
you
choose who
trust.
gets tested.
Captain, I'm sending you the correct glyphs now.
It is the same one you gave me, Daniel, with the 2 parallel lines with a T, with a line, horizontal line on the top of one and a dot on the right one with a bottom line. One of them is 3 dots with antler-like structure in the middle, so a dot on the top left, dot on the top right, and a dot in the center middle.
What?
So there's like a
Yeah, got it.
curved F's on either side,
Okay.
and there's a circle, top left circle, top right circle, and a bottom
Yeah,
circle.
okay.
And the last one are 3 arches with a circle and a slightly cursive line. Oh, they're starting to speed it up. Why are you
3
speeding it up?
arches? What do you mean 3
Wow.
arches?
Like,
The test has failed.
they speeded up. So, they made us...
Ah.
Okay, that was suspicious. Maybe test humans next time.
Nah, I trust them.
Rip.
I'm a bit sus about everyone else who sped it up, so now we don't know the answer.
Yeah,
Why
rude.
acting like a human?
It's definitely Cassie. Yes.
Yeah.
I'm
We're on
just.
the clock here, people, so let's keep it going. Another chance to save the day.
Yes.
Excellent. You only have 30
Jazz, which
seconds.
one's Cassie? Cass, no rail, you know?
Yeah. Chucking in.
Okay,
Chuck
time
it
to
in.
vote. The vote has failed.
Mute.
Because Mute's the alien.
Mute must be the
Let's
alien.
figure this out.
No.
Or is it Brandon?
No, because even if.
What?
Oh, hang on, it's not me! It's not me!
Well, if Mute was the alien, he'd want it to go.
That's what I mean. That's why I'm. Well, Mute, you go buy a scanner. No, he's. Mute is clearly the alien. Alright, well, eject me then.
Time for another head scratcher. Keep an eye out for questionable positions.
Okay, that's fucking rough. That's rough.
You ever notice how boring space is?
What do you mean?
Because there was no answers.
Humans received the following prompt.
Choose one.
Your untalented child wants you to drive them to a community theater audition. You absolutely wouldn't say. Okay, what can we work on?
No, I didn't choose one.
Jazz, stop lying. We know it's you. We're just trying to find your counterpart.
And I knew who the alien is. She's sitting next to me.
What the? Who do we actually think the second alien is?
Jazz.
Well, I just.
We're on the clock here, people, so let's
No, is it? Do we think it's Cassie or is it
New
Mute?
captain
Test
selected.
it.
I don't know.
Yeah, go to the post scanner.
Ever alien terms. Go to the bystander and choose me. Wait, is human alien the girl? Bystander, are you supposed to try?
Why they're already speeding it up.
Brandon just.
Did you just go over and leave?
No.
Oh,
I
Mute.
don't mean to freak anybody out.
Mute, you were a traitor.
Right. No, I didn't want to choose Cassie.
Well, it doesn't matter. You've got like no seconds. They've already sped it up. All of them.
Do we think those two are trustworthy?
Well, it doesn't matter. You've got no time.
What do you mean?
They spit it out.
Another crack at the bioscanner, huh? Think you're
Well, you had to tell me who to put in there.
Captain,
Alright.
I'm sending you the correct lifts now.
Okay, there's like what looks like a triangle sort of pear shape with two dots on it.
On it where? On the inside?
Yeah. There's like
No, the other alien.
there's like a person that's like doing a side kind of lean, and is like has their hand on the ground.
What's
Um,
wrong, man?
And there's like what looks like a person with a tail.
What?
It looks like a person standing and they have a tail.
You're a freaking alien, man. What
I'm
is
telling
that?
you, there's.
Oh,
With a tail, what?
It looks like there's a person with a tail and
Describe
the
it
side
differently.
lane.
Where's the dots? Where's the lines?
There's like a dot on the head. There's like a line that curves and goes behind, like a tail.
They look like a slug, yeah.
You're a fucking alien.
Hang on,
It's
why
a
did,
lot-
hang on, why did the two aliens just go, yeah, like that?
Because Jazz is sitting next to Kayla. Don't dump me in with that. I'm telling you, it's like a person that's doing a side lean.
selected 3.
Yeah.
You'll
Good
see.
job.
You'll see. It's exactly what I
The test
described.
has failed.
Wow. See, a person with the side lean, a person with the tail, and a pair with two dots.
It's not a person with a tail.
Yes. What can describe to you?
I said it's like a person facing forward with a line that
You
goes
should have just said
backwards
it's
with
a
a tail.
snail with a dot.
Well, to me, it looked like a person with a tail.
So who the hell is the second alien?
If I'm waiting for them to just say it's Brando, and I'm like, it's not.
We're on the
It's
clock
not
here,
me.
people, so let's keep it going.
Yeah.
We're running out of time. Who is it?
I'm just gonna choose Jazz and Cassie.
Yeah, no one's even tested Cassie.
Hmm.
No, alien!
Oh, Mute.
Feel like saving our
Yeah,
day?
Mute's only been
Okay,
tested
you're
once.
up, Captain.
And he's
Cassie's
like, blocked us
twice.
twice from the bioscanner. And he's
Tell me you figured it out.
I'm deflecting it. It's because
Boom,
Brando.
you isolate.
okay.
You
Put
only
me
have
in.
30 seconds.
Oh wait, no.
You, no, go on, put me in.
We wanted to.
What-
You
what-
already know what we're
Come on,
doing.
K
Did you
balls.
think it was Cassie?
Time's running out,
Who do you think it
Captain.
was? Cassie?
You'll forfeit your time if you
Or
don't.
Mute?
It's me. You haven't even tested me.
Exactly. We haven't tested you.
Kayla, put someone in.
All the tests that you tested on January failed.
Well, that was a bust. The crew member can push the button
Oh
and
my
normal the
god.
Well, now K balls can't push the button.
Next
Someone-
captain, please.
Oh, now K balls is the captain.
There's less than 2 minutes.
And then
Who else can push the button?
and Daniel.
You'll never get this thing working in time. Captain, I'm sending
Oh my
you the
God.
correct glyphs now.
Okay, so the first one is like the 2 million F's with the dot in the middle.
Yeah.
And then the next one is that the one that Daniel shows how it's like he thought it was oh shit. I don't know how to describe it. It's like a weird little Y with a little bit that comes off the edge and then it's dot above it.
Oh, why?
Fuck, it's
Someone-
when he thought it was yours.
Thank you.
This better not be a waste of time.
Okay, I think
Boom, will you isolate? You only have 30 seconds.
no, choose. I don't know what to put in. Alright, let's bring out team effort.
There is no point. It's either there's no point saying no.
Captain, isolate
So
someone.
either choose the right people because in 20 seconds there's no chance to complete another.
Oh, whatever. I don't know.
Okay, time to vote.
Do we think it's
This is really the last time we can do this. That's just who are.
We tried damn hard, Brandon.
Shut up, alien! I'm not
do we
funny.
think that this is it? Oh god.
It's
Who do you
not.
think it is?
It's not me.
Kayla or Cassie and Jack.
Okay.
I knew, Jazz. We knew from the beginning.
Damn it!
Everyone, I hate you. Thanks for rejecting me out. So I was right.
The aliens strike again, Jazz!
So I knew it when they were like, "Oh yeah, it looks like an area of potato," and I'm like, "Why did they both agree?"
Yeah, on that.
No, I was
Fucking
telling the
virus,
truth to.
Brenna.
I was telling the truth so it wasn't suspicious. I was just doing it really slowly.
Yeah, I know. You're not that much of an idiot at doing